In the last pump coin price prediction, which I published yesterday, gave you this short. It was a beautiful short for around 4%, took profit at current view up. And I'm looking into making more pump videos. So if this video hits 10 likes, I'll make this daily thing. I'll make pump videos every single day. So right now, we're getting a lot of shorts closed. We pumped, but the longs are not really opening. We just have very small amount of longs. This is in millions but not in dollars in terms of the token. $59 million tokens, 147 million, not dollar, token counts have been longed right here above VU up. So there's a few things we need to really understand when we are drawing the chart and we're trying to figure out what's going on. The first of which is that we're having some good liquidations around the 398 area, which is $500,000 worth of liquidations at 398. So really want to get a good sense of the market, and hopefully we pump to there, so I can, oh, sorry, I'll just bring that up. From here, I really want to hope we can pump to here so I can short. So this is basically the pump price prediction for today. I can make another update very soon, maybe tomorrow. On the daily chart, we're definitely looking bullish. But yeah, let's see how price will react to here. I'm hoping I can just get a quick short scalp and then we can hopefully continue higher. That's basically my price prediction. We're still up to 162 grand on VOOX, 38 grand on this new wallet. If you want to learn more about my trading style, have a course in my signals chat in the description down below. I've made them pretty cheap. And also I'm switching to BloFin right now, $30 bonuses for new users, 50% spot fee discount. So definitely do check it out. Switching because it's an okay WEEX exchange and it's safer than MEX in my opinion. This video is no financial advice. See you in the pump video tomorrow.